A reliable chef's knife is an essential tool in any kitchen, enabling precision cutting and efficient meal preparation. It serves as the cornerstone of culinary mastery, enhancing the cooking experience and inspiring creativity in the kitchen. In this video, we are going to introduce you to the top 5 chef's knives that you need to elevate your culinary skills and revolutionize your cooking game. Stay tuned and let's find your perfect match. Number 1. Global 8 Chef's Knife. This knife is a kitchen essential that's about to take your cooking game to the next level. Crafted with an 8-inch blade, this knife is meticulously balanced for effortless handling, making it perfect for both professional chefs and home cooks alike. The blade is constructed with high-tech molybdenum vanadium stainless steel, ensuring durability and longevity. Plus, its razor-sharp edge retains sharpness exceptionally well, guaranteeing precise cuts with every use. The stainless steel handle is expertly molded for comfort, providing a secure grip that minimizes hand fatigue during extended use. Additionally, its dimpled texture enhances safety, ensuring a firm hold even when your hands are wet. Rest easy knowing that your investment is protected by a lifetime warranty against defects and breakage. With this knife in your arsenal, you can cook with confidence for years to come. Some users have reported that the blade can feel brittle to some. While it's important to handle this knife with care, its exceptional performance and durability make it a worthwhile addition to any kitchen. Ready to elevate your culinary skills? Click the link in the description below to get your hands on the Global 8 Chef's Knife and unleash your inner chef. Happy cooking! Number 2. Mac-Knife Chef's Knife. This knife is a true masterpiece that combines Japanese craftsmanship with cutting-edge design. With a 2.5mm blade and added dimples, this knife effortlessly glides through sticky foods like potatoes, apples, and summer squash, ensuring smooth and precise cuts every time. At just 12.63 inches in length, this knife is lightweight yet sturdy, providing optimal control and maneuverability for all your culinary creations. Crafted from Paca wood, the handle offers a comfortable grip and elegant aesthetic. Paired with a 2.5mm blade thickness, this knife exudes durability and reliability. Immerse yourself in the rich tradition of Japanese craftsmanship with a knife that embodies centuries of expertise. Each Mac-Knife Chef's Knife is meticulously crafted in Japan, guaranteeing unparalleled quality and performance. While this knife is a top-tier choice for culinary enthusiasts, it may not be suitable for those on a budget. Additionally, if you're not willing to commit to a light amount of special knife care, primarily rinsing and drying the knife immediately after cutting foods to minimize the risk of stains and/or rust, this knife may not be the best fit for you. Experience the precision of Japanese craftsmanship with the Mac-Knife Chef's Knife. Click the link in the description below to add this culinary essential to your kitchen arsenal. Happy cooking! Number 3. WÜSTHOF Classic IKON Chef's Knife. This knife is a kitchen staple that's sure to become your go-to tool for all your cooking needs. This 8-inch chef's knife is the ultimate kitchen workhorse, capable of handling chopping, mincing, slicing, and dicing with ease. Say goodbye to struggling with multiple knives. This all-purpose tool has you covered. Featuring a sleek black handle with a double bolster design, the Classic IKON series embodies elegance and functionality. Experience exceptional balance, beauty, and the ultimate cutting experience with every use. Crafted from a single block of high-carbon stainless steel and tempered to 58° HRC, this knife boasts precision edge technology (PETEC) for a blade that's 20% sharper with twice the edge retention than previous models. With over 200 years of experience, WÜSTHOF has perfected the art of cutlery. Family-owned for 7 generations, each knife carries the Solingen name, a designation reserved for products that meet the strictest quality standards. Now, let's talk about some drawbacks of this product. If you prefer lighter, Japanese-style knives, this may not be the best fit for you. Additionally, if the majority of your knife work is precise, you may find the heft of this knife to be a hindrance. Ready to elevate your culinary game? Click the link in the description below to get your hands on the WÜSTHOF Classic IKON Chef's Knife and experience the epitome of culinary craftsmanship. Happy cooking! Number 4. Victorinox Swiss Army 5.2063.20x4 Chef's Knife. This knife is a versatile powerhouse that's sure to become your go-to tool in the kitchen. Featuring an 8-inch high-carbon stainless steel blade, this knife is a precision tool capable of tackling everything from delicate herb chopping to effortlessly slicing thin cuts of meat. Comfort is key, and the Victorinox doesn't disappoint. Its ergonomic Fibrox handle, crafted from slip-resistant material, ensures confident maneuvering even with wet hands. This durable and versatile option won't break the bank, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to elevate their kitchen knife game and their culinary creations. Now, let's talk about some drawbacks of this product. While the handle is comfortable and protects fingers, some users may find that it doesn't feel delicate and is well balanced. Ready to take your kitchen knife game to the next level? Click the link in the description below to get your hands on the Victorinox Swiss Army Chef's Knife. Happy cooking! Number 5. Henckels Chef's Knife. This knife is the ultimate kitchen tool for precision cutting and effortless meal prep. With ultra-sharp blades and professional level sharpness, this knife ensures precision cutting for slicing, chopping, and mincing a variety of ingredients. The satin-finished blade stays sharp longer, making it perfect for everyday use in the kitchen. Enjoy easy meal prep with minimal effort, thanks to this lightweight, easy-to-use knife. From slicing vegetables to cutting through large slabs of meat, it handles all kitchen tasks with ease. Cleanup is a breeze with this knife. Simply toss it in the dishwasher or wash by hand for stain and rust-free blades. Plus, its fully forged construction offers durability and a seamless transition from blade to handle. Now, let's talk about some drawbacks of this product. Some might find the hard handle less comfortable than other options. Ready to experience the precision and durability of the Henckels Chef's Knife? Click the link in the description below to get yours today and elevate your cooking game. Happy slicing and dicing! Thank you for staying with us. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Let us know which product review you like to see next. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, thumb this video up and share it with your friends. That's all for now.